Do you think that it's very inconvenient to open the frunk? I agree too, but how about this? Since 2019, we introduced our very first generation of electric frunk. And eventually, now we are into our Mark 6, we introduced a lot of new features. One of the most important features that we introduced in 2021 is our landing check. It increased the safety and avoid any problem of the hood opening up while you drive. Since we introduced the landing check feature in 2021, a lot of different other factories try to copy our hardware, but they usually fail to offer the same solution that we offer, mostly because they only copy the hardware, but they fail to implement it correctly. And in 2003, we also introduced the BLE compatibility to help you to tune the speed, the opening height, and even the buzzer in your app. For the landing check, it's very important. We have a separate video explaining it, so you can refer to this video below for much more explanation about it. So as you can see, the electric frunk is very convenient. You can use your key fob, your app, your screen, and even like our demo, you can use the knock to open and close the frunk. Besides it, we also have two more methods to close the frunk. Like if you pull it over here, it will do the closing for you. And also you have the anti-pinch, so you don't need to worry about the safety. And there's also an OEM button in here, the emergency release button that you can press to close the frunk. The electric frunk is also very easy to install. If you have a Model 3, it only takes around 30 to 45 minutes to install, even if you are inexperienced, provided that you follow our installation video closely. But for Model Y, it will be taking a little bit more time because it will be a little bit more difficult to fit the strap in. But for Model SX, they are also quite straightforward, and the installation method is similar. I would say it take about 1 hour for Model S, X, and Y, and Model 3 it will be a lot easier. Now I will talk more detail about the opening of the frunk. As I said, it's quite inconvenient to open the frunk. You either need to go to your app, you go to the car screen, or if you have a key fob, it will be a lot more convenient, but not everyone will have a key fob. So we will introduce some kind of method for you to open the frunk. So first I will talk about the knock feature. So if you try to knock on your fender, it will do the opening for you. So this is our new feature, but I'm assuming a lot of people will ask, can anyone knock on the fender and frunk will get open? This is something that we already take into consideration. Our module will have a Bluetooth password that you need to pair with your phone first. Without pairing it, if anyone going to knock on the fender, you will not be opening the frunk for you. So you don't need to worry about it. But of course, you also need to have your phone key or your key fob with you when you knock on the fender. Otherwise, the alarm will trigger. Also, if you install our SASE button, SASE knob, or even the SASE stock, you can use this convenient feature to open the frunk as well. Just try to hold the door handle for 3 seconds. The frunk will open for you. You can also use it for the closing feature as well. Hold it for 3 seconds, and the front will be closed for you. As a Tesla users ourselves, we want to make your Tesla more convenient and more enjoyable to use. We also have a full line of products in our site that you can browse. So if you're interested, feel free to take a look at our site, and if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us a message. So this is Raymond from EVOffer. I hope to see you in our next video. Thank you.